Hi everyone. Today let's discuss about what is organic chemistry, what are hydrocarbons, and the classification of hydrocarbons. Organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry that mainly deals with the study of structure, properties, composition, reactions, and preparation of carbon containing compounds. Most of the organic compounds contain carbon and hydrogen. They also include other elements like nitrogen, oxygen, halogens, phosphorus, silicon, sulfur, etc. Organic compounds that mainly consist of carbon and hydrogen are generally referred to as hydrocarbons. Now, let's move on to the classification of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are broadly classified into two: open chain compounds and closed chain compounds. Open chain compounds are further classified into saturated and unsaturated compounds. Saturated compounds are also referred to as alkanes. Unsaturated compounds are further classified into alkenes and alkynes. Closed chain compounds. Closed chain compounds are classified into two: homocyclic and heterocyclic. Homocyclic compounds are further classified into aromatic and alicyclic compounds. As we learned that open chain compounds are classified into two categories: saturated and unsaturated compounds. Saturated compounds are organic compounds or they are hydrocarbons which contain single bond between the carbon atoms. Example can be methane, ethane, etc. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. So here we have two broad categories: alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes are hydrocarbons where double bond is present between the carbon atoms. Example, ethene, propene, etc. Alkynes are hydrocarbons that mainly contain a triple bond between the carbon atoms. Example, ethyne, propyne, etc. Closed chain compounds are also referred to as cyclic or ring compounds. These are organic compounds wherein we find that the carbon atoms are connected in a ring format or a closed chain format. These closed chain compounds are classified into homocyclic and heterocyclic. Homocyclic compounds are made up of only carbon and hydrogen atoms, whereas heterocyclic compounds contain atoms other than carbon such as nitrogen or sulfur. Homocyclic compounds are further classified into aromatic and alicyclic. Alicyclic hydrocarbons are those organic compounds that contain carbon and hydrogen atoms in one or more closed rings. Aromatic hydrocarbons are those compounds that contain a benzene ring or alternating double bonds.